get to this week's video. We have a ghost. Nah, just kidding. It's just David trying to set up the umbrella just in case the forecast doesn't cooperate. This week, we were working on the MugenEL at David's house, and we're finally gonna do this for Ashley. LED underglow lights. Finally gonna do it. David did it on his CRV. It looks fantastic. Also, check it out, guys. Look at the fitment on this thing. David's CRV is looking mighty fine. There's the guy.
Hey man.
Hey man. Yeah, David is gonna.
We're gonna put some lights.
Yeah, we're gonna put some lights. He's gonna give us our expertise, his expertise. Also, see the fitment. We're gonna be doing some kind of fitment like that on the MugenEL. David wants to stance it out for Ashley, and Ashley only wants him to stance it out because he knows her vision. Yeah, and she trusts you because you know her vision, kind of thing. I hate stance, but it's fine.
We're gonna do -10 degree.
I don't know what that means, but I hope it's not like Back to the Future hoverboard stuff.
It's something like that.
Oh my goodness. But yeah, guys, I'm excited. We're gonna be jacking up the car, and also we're gonna attempt to move that seized bolt on the toe strap right there, because I got a nice new toe strap to put on. Yeah, those are the bulbs on the fogs that I gotta change because, you know.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, but I don't think we'll get that today.
These are dicks.
Yeah, we're just gonna get to the key important thing because we got a nice meet to go to tonight, so we both want to be rocking underglow tonight. Bring back the 2000s. So I'm gonna set the camera down, start jacking up the car, and we're gonna go to town on this thing. Hey man.
This little guy out.
And I believe I got some clips all along the bottom, which I will double check.
You need some ramps to lift up the car a little bit more for the jacking? What you gotta do? I have some ramps.
Yeah, we're gonna definitely need a ramp. Definitely gonna need a ramp. Yo, look at this ingenuity by David. Now these are some GR ramps.
Of course, your car's too low, bro. Okay, I got you.
I know how we. No. Dude, you leave it like this. Look.
No, man.
Oh no, man.
He's gonna fuck shit.
Holy crap, man. I didn't realize the L is this low. These are the damn low.
Very good. And then that should be enough to give enough height for the jacket.
Oh, absolutely. All right.
Yep. Very nice. Very nice. Perfect.
Pretty sure I have some clips in the bottom.
Hey man, did you hear about this fucking spider that showed up in fucking Australia, or not Australia, Austria?
No.
And then they had to close down the supermarkets because the fucking bananas, bro. They had these fucking spiders that came from Brazil. And apparently if you get bit by that thing, bro, you can have a long effects or even permanently, but that shit will give you a big ass erection, but it's also very painful. So it gives you a super massive painful erection.
So basically what you're saying is it's like Viagra.
You have that shit permanently.
That is
You walk around with the fucking hard on. And on top of that, it's fucking painful. You're not even fucking enjoying that shit.
right?
Fuck.
That's amazing. Hi.
Hey man, I think you left one clip.
No, I couldn't get to the clip because the head's broken.
Oh, so you
What's up, little man?
I'm trying to do something to your car.
just put them up the forest. Let me try them on.
These are the Mercs to always do the best. Zip tie for zip tie cutter, please. Alright guys, so we got the bumper separated. Dave is going to start concentrating on the wiring for the battery. So we have power and ground. Alright guys, so we're going to be using the fuse box. Oh, there it is. So that's our power right here. Just tap into one and then we're going to use the bolt that goes there as a ground. There we go. Take a little bit more out.
Fucking thing.
Don't worry, man. It's really good.
I don't want it to fall this way.
It's okay.
No, it's not.
Why not?
Because it's not. It's very tight holes.
Alright guys, I'm gonna start jacking up the front. Jack stands are there for added safety. Now David's gonna go ahead and lower.
Number one's okay.
He's gonna lower. Yeah, right there. It's going down. Oh yeah. Guys, look, I haven't watched the bay in a long time. And like you can see, this is just like, you can't stop this stuff, man. Like, our winters suck and I barely drive it. And look at K-Twin suspension right here, look. This thing doesn't drive in the snow or salt or anything, and look at it.
That's fucked up.
Yeah, man.
Shitty bolts they use.
Yeah.
Just use like regular steel bolts.
But aside from that, it still looks pretty clean for it being dirty. We should measure it out.
Check if the leads are working.
Ah, yeah, just put power to it.
Yeah, exactly.
Ashley was saying that we should do that first.
Should connect.
Because then it would suck that, you know, this is a 3-year-old kit that's just been sitting. And I think you're gonna be Ashley's new favorite person now. You know why? Because you're giving her neons.
Oh, I didn't get her nothing. You did.
Yeah, they work.
Blue.
Hold on. So you guys can see they light up. Does the battery on this thing work? Oh yeah, green.
I know this
Purple.
is gonna be the one.
This is all right, boys. I'm gonna go to the other side so you can see David do his magic. Do you want the zip ties with you, Dave?
I think this is one of the. This is the front because this is the,
Short one.
this one over here.
One of the long ones.
This is the one of the long ones. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Gotta divide it evenly, right? Do you want to send the other one to the other side?
fuck what? Kevin's right. They're not gonna use the back.
Well, that's okay. We go as far back as we can.
Put it onto the somehow. So I think it's exhaust.
Mm-hmm.
I'd say maybe it'll go like where the gas tank is.
Yeah, that's fine. Hey, it's $28 this kit. What do you think is gonna happen with $28?
$28 is a lot of money, man.
Yeah, nowadays.
No, there's $28 better. Awesome.
Alright guys, so you can see, I know I could put the camera straight, but I want you guys to feel like you guys are here with us. So you're gonna go on a 45 with us. Hi, look at that guy. Yeah, it looks like a nice position right there. Alright guys, so we decided to go a different route. We're gonna actually run them through the inside of the brackets. so you guys can see right here inside of the brackets, and two-way tape it to the rocker, and they'll be a little bit more sturdier just in case the zip ties do fail or something, or the two-way tape, it won't dangle. It'll always be still supported through the 4 brackets.
Oh yeah, look, fucking that thing's silver.
I remember where this car underneath was silver. Now it's all rust proofed and everything. It's nice. I'm not gonna lie, yo, I could fall asleep right here, right now, bro.
There's a nice breeze.
Yeah, and it's pretty comfortable on this spot of the asphalt.
Paul,
Yeah,
can you see under your car?
I can. I'm looking at your dad right now. He's doing his magic.
Yeah, he's putting the lights under your car.
Yeah. It's gonna be awesome, man.
This could be cool.
Yep.
You're gonna be cool now.
We're gonna be super cool now. Fast and Furious cool. Alright boys, after 30 million times of us forgetting, well, In-N-Out, like In-N-Out Burger, but we kept screwing up and running the module over the strut bar, and then right when we were about to put the strip in, we're like, ah, crap, so we had to pull it back up, but anyways, this is how we got it running for the passenger side, because we don't want to run underneath the header or anything like that. David's gonna hook up the module there. We're gonna run the next cable through the firewall, down the wheel well, then behind this fender liner, and then we're gonna two zip ties on the top over there to tighten up the cable so the wheel never contacts it. And then now we're just gonna clean it so it's even. Alright guys, we're just sealing up everything right now on this side. Gotta put that clip back into the fender liner, then the 2 screws.
Fucking bee.
Before you put that in, David, the bottom we gotta tuck in behind the side skirt, or else then it won't give you the flexibility. Even like the whole thing, you gotta pop it up and kind of pry it in, like how I did. Yes, like that.
Bro, this fucking clip is pissing me off.
Nice. All right, boys. So the sides are done, and this is how we're gonna do the front. Front's gonna go on the bottom of this rat support, right, David? We're gonna put it on the bottom of the rat support. Okay. And then the top one, which was supposed to be for the back, we're gonna do some Fast and Furious 2. If you guys remember Brian O'Connor's Evolution 7, dope ass car, when he had the neon in the grill. So we're gonna put it up here, so that way when this lights up, you're gonna see it light up around the grill as well. I know, you guys are probably saying, that's kind of rice. Rice is nice. Rice is nice. David, tell him.
Rice is rice.
Back to the video. Alright boys, one strip's done. The other strip's pretty much on. We're doing it on the subframe, because if you do it on the bottom of the rat support, I'll show you guys quickly, it's gonna get covered by this part of the bumper. And I'm not gonna put it on the bumper because we got to take out the bumper to service stuff and shit, so it makes no sense. So the subframe it is.
Can I get that zip tie cutter?
Zip tie cutter is right there. I got you. It's right here. Watch your legs.
Sorry, man.
No worries, man.
I'm a big fat guy on the floor.
No, man, it's that plum guy. Pretty much, we have underglow now. Now we just gotta pull back the wires, put them nice and tight, zip tie it everywhere, clean, and then start putting the bumper back on, which is right there, and job well done. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. You guys get what you pay for. It's $28 taxed in. That's what I paid. So that being said, obviously it didn't reach all 4 corners. That's why we put the two smaller ones in the front to try to make it work in that sense. And then the antenna, we have to have it mounted like this, if you guys can see, just because the signal for the remote, I'm like, hey, it is what it is. $28, it's doing the job. I'm happy. Ashley will be happy. Maybe down the road I'll get that kit that David got on his CRV, which would be even sicker. But for now,
way much easier to put on and have way more options.
yeah,
You have like the show modes.
that's true.
This is like old school stuff.
This is well, it's 3 years ago when they started doing LED strips again.
Yeah.
So, and we just never put it on, but it's on, and it's good. I'm happy. You happy? You happy? All right, guys, we are done. Big shout out to David.
We finito.
Obviously can't show you nothing because it's still daylight, but yo,
Later.
like a little later on, we're gonna get some roller.
Well, for you, it will be like in a couple
Seconds.
minutes and seconds, or whatever. For us, we gotta wait until a couple hours.
Yeah, but it's gonna be sick. I promise you guys, man. It's gonna look freaking dope. We already tested the one shining through here. Yo, it looks sick, no?
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be dope, man.
I'm excited to see this thing at nighttime.
Yeah. All right, that's one thing off the bucket list now for the EL. And on to more things. Like I said, I can't thank the homie David enough. Having some bomb-ass homemade pizza thanks to his wife. Now we're gonna go for a quick boot up to Mercer's, pay him a visit, and then see you guys. Well, I won't see you guys, but you guys will see the EL rolling at nighttime. And that CRV,
Yeah.
underglow for life. Alright guys, stay tuned to the next video. Peace.